Welcome to BVS Pragati channel. In the previous session, we have discussed about the circuit design of broadband SPST switch. In this session, let's have a look at the simulated performance of broadband SPST switch using advanced design system. So here is the insertion loss and the isolation. The insertion loss is the performance of the switch in its on state. So at 0.1 gigahertz, we see that it is minus 1.08 dB, and at 10 gigahertz it is minus 1.85 dB. So throughout the frequency, we see that the insertion loss is better than minus 1.9. So this is the insertion loss. Now let's have a look at isolation. So here is the isolation. The isolation is about minus 40 dB throughout the frequency band. So using the series FET is improving the performance at the low frequency, while the shunt FET is improving the performance at the high frequency, and the isolation is better than minus 40 dB throughout the frequency band. And the return loss is better than here is the return loss, and it is better than minus 15 dB throughout the frequency band. So these are the important design characteristics of SPST switch, and we see that throughout the broad band, that is from 0.1 gigahertz to 10 gigahertz, we are able to achieve better insertion loss, better isolation, and we have not compromised on the return loss, and we see that the return loss is better than minus 17.5 dB. And even after performing the sensitivity analysis, we see that even with 15% variations, plus on the positive side or the negative side, the performance is still met. So that's all for this session. More in the next session. Thank you. Thanks a lot, and I wish you all the best.